And morning, everyone. Welcome. This is the first of 4 webinars on Audit and Accounts Update. I'm looking at 3 main topics this morning. I'm going to look at the future of UK GAAP, which I guess it's probably the biggest and most important development in accounting that we've faced here in the UK ever. So we'll look at that first. We'll then have a look at a problem, the rejection of filed accounts at Companies House, why they're being rejected, and what we can do about it. And I'm then going to have a look at some really useful guidance that the Institute issued last year concerning directors' loans. We must all now be producing accounts under the Companies Act 2006 for our clients, and there's a very serious danger that there is non-compliance going on with the Companies Act 06 as regards directors' loans disclosures. Right at the end, I'll give you a kind of a heads up on the status of the UK Bribery Act 2010, and maybe have a look at some auditing pointers. Obviously there's much talk about the clarified ISAs, but there's a lot of problems that we're facing just complying with ISAs, clarified or otherwise. So I'm going to look at a kind of a top 10 audit blunders as regards the ISAs, but that'll be next time as well in the May session. So I'm going to talk first about the future of UK GAAP. And I suppose I can say very simply at the start, it has no future. We're really talking about the demise of UK GAAP. UK GAAP as in the FRSs, the SSAPs, the task force abstracts, and ultimately the FRSI, the Financial Reporting Standard for smaller entities. They're all doomed, ultimately. We are inexorably moving towards international financial reporting standards of some form. We have a new chairman at the Accounting Standards Board, Roger Marshall, who took over late last year from Ian McIntosh, who's gone off to join the International Board. And he was quoted last month, Roger Marshall, as saying, "We're committed to the direction of travel, but we're agnostic on the detail." We're committed to the direction of travel, but we're agnostic on the detail. In other words, we are moving towards IFRS, but exactly how and exactly when and exactly what form